Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to request access into a project. If you'd like to review how to switch between your projects or how to set a new default project, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. If you know what project you would like to request access to, head on over to Projects, select it, and hit that big blue button that says Request Access, and your request will soon be processed. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.